Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 done for you business using My Lead Gen Secrets. We are on day 22. Alright guys. And now first off, let me talk about why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business, right? Because essentially what you get is a funnel builder. And a funnel builder that's very easy to work with and very something that you need for your business online. No matter what kind of business that you have, whatever you're trying to sell or something like that, you're always gonna need your funnel builder. All right, you're gonna need some kind of funnel builder in some way, shape, or form. And when it comes to online business in general, always great to have a funnel builder. And the thing is, with this funnel builder, there's no like limitations or any way. You can make as many funnels as you want, stuff like that, with just $25. Also, you don't have to worry about certain limitations that other funnel builders have for much more significant price ranges. For example, the most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is $91 per month, guys. $91 per month, and I think they even limit the amount of people. They limit even the amount of people that can see your page. You go beyond that, the people after that can no longer make it to your page. Like, they limit even that until you upgrade to the $290 something per month program. That's when you can make as many funnels as you want and all that. But it's $200 something. You can already do that with $25 here. And I think most funnels in general are like that, but maybe not as pricey as ClickFunnels. But you know, anyone that says like somewhere around $25, $20, $30 or something like that, they have some kind of limitation. You can only make a certain amount of funnels or something like that. You know what I mean? But this is the best price point for funnels you can build straight up for yourself, and it's very easy to work with. It's so easy to work with, guys. And I think that's the biggest draw, is that you just need this anyway. Secondly, you get training on how to use it, how to use programs and such, and how to get sales on certain products. You don't have to sell the $25 all-in-one business. I personally like it, but you don't have to sell that, but you get a funnel, right? Now, the second reason why I like promoting it is because it has an 80% recurring commission. This is the reason why I like promoting it personally, because say for example, somebody spend $25, you get $20 of it, guys. 80%, and it goes on and on. $125, $100, $500, $400, $1,000, $800. All right, guys, you get 80%, and you get it every month. It's recurring commission, so you get it every single month. So you slowly building yourself an income that you can use. It's kind of like investing, you know what I mean? And that's the reason why I like promoting this product, because the more people that's in the product program, the more my investing is working, you know what I mean? And I really encourage you guys to do exactly what I'm doing in these videos. Just show this, do exactly what I do. It's very easy to do, guys. All right, folks, so let's look at our results. All right, so we're gonna refresh here. It looks like we got a sale. Gonna refresh here, see what's going on. Okay, we do have a sale. I do not know if it's from My Lead. I haven't checked if it's from My Lead Gen Secrets or not. But we do have a sale, and which is great, man. That's so great. Doing so well. And like I stated before, guys, it's very simple to do. You copy exactly what I'm doing in my videos, right? You just essentially do the same thing. You can put your own spin to it, like have your picture on there. I'm personally don't have a really good camera, so I'm not doing that, but you can put your picture up there, make it more personable. You probably grow a lot faster than I am. And yeah, just do exactly what I'm doing. It's so simple and easy to do. So anyway, guys, let's move on here. We're gonna go on to My Lead Gen Secrets here. All right, guys, so we need to pick an email here. So we're gonna pick one of my emails I already done written. I kind of cycle around about 25-ish emails. I kind of cycle around through them a little bit here. Okay, fail one. fail. Done for you. Ready better business. Let me see. I'm trying to find an email here. I'm trying to see what email I haven't sent yet in a while. Okay, I see one. I think I'm gonna go with, where was it? Right here. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And like I said before, I just get the emails already written. If you're interested in the emails, I got it. I'll go through it slowly here and keep it short and simple. I think that works the best. So basically, I just explained how they can make a lot of money with this. That's all I do, and then just get started now. That's a really good email. It's very short, to the point. You guys can copy this if you want to. Pause the video, copy it, you know what I mean, and then type it in yourself, and now you gotta know the email. So these emails are very simple to make. You just go to the page and just copy paste a lot of stuff, maybe turn it around a little bit, whatever you think people want to see, you know what I mean. So it's simple to do the emails impersonally, or you can just copy what I'm doing in general if you want to promote the same product that I'm promoting. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you click on perfect timing. And what perfect timing does, send an email around the time people check the emails. So, oh, I ain't selected the leads yet. Thought I did. Huh. Alright, what just happened? Okay, there we go. Alright, now we send the emails. Boom. And see how simple that is? That's all there to it. Like, I want to state this one more time just in case. The only thing you guys have to do, copy exactly what I'm doing, right? Copy exactly what I'm doing. Very simple to do. Copy my video here. Do exactly what I'm doing. Maybe put your own little spin to it. You can put your picture up there or something like that, right? And you just do this. And over time, you'll build your YouTube channel. You'll build different ways to make money, guys. And maybe you want to start an Instagram page or something like that. You can do that as well. Very simple to do. And you just slowly do this over time. Only take you about 5 minutes every day to set this stuff up and do this. And I know I'm saying it multiple times, but I really believe you guys. I really want to help you guys, and I really think this will work, like, for you guys, because it's working for me. I'm nothing special. It'll work for you. All right. So that's all there is to it, guys. All the links in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.